Okay, so this shit ugly to me. This shit's actually ugly as fuck. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be another freaking makeup tutorial. Like, I bet there's like 40 million makeup tutorials on YouTube, but oh well, it's gonna be 40 million in one. But anyways, I'm gonna start off with first, priming my skin. And for primer, I'm looking for my primer. That's why my head is down. For primer, I'm going to use whatever fucking primer I see. But anyways, yeah, this primer. I'm gonna use the Becca Poreless Perfection Primer. And it's gonna be, I'm just dropping shit. And it's gonna be on sale at Ulta this week or next week for like $19. So if you guys wanna get that, then go ahead. Cause I've been getting all the things that I need. That's 50% off with the 21 Days of Beauty. I love that. I love it so much. I'll put that everywhere. And my brows look horrible because I'm letting them grow out so I can get them something done to them. I don't know, maybe wax or threaded, but I want them to be so fleeky. Like they ain't been they best. Going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation mixed with the Maybelline. I'm just gonna use 2 pumps of them both. I'm just gonna mix that together. I don't know, I've been using a brush to apply my foundation lately, but I think I'm gonna go back to using my sponge. I don't know, I miss using my sponge to apply my foundation. Concealer, and the concealer today I'm using is the Age Rewind concealer, and I'm almost out of it. I really like this concealer. It's good for my under eye wrinkles. And just apply that, you know. Y'all know where to apply concealer. Tarte Shape Tape on top of that, just to brighten it up a little bit. I sometimes overlap the foundation end of the sponge with where I put my concealer under my eye, just because I like a really smooth finish under my eye. I don't like my under eye to be like high right there, and you know, I don't know, I don't like that. And I'm just gonna take the extra concealer on my hand and just put that on my lids. That's a eyeshadow base. So I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Sasha Buttercup powder. So I'm gonna contour and bronze my face with the Juvia's Place palettes. I'm using the Nubian 2 palette in the color Kenya. It's like the darkest color in that palette, and I'm just gonna use that to contour my face. I prefer a powder contour over a cream contour, especially if my skin is like perfect. Like if I'm going through like a dry patch spell, then I definitely would do the cream contour before the powder, because it's just gonna leave dry patches, and I'm not here for that. So now I'm gonna go in with the Zulu palette and use the color, this color. These palettes don't have no color, but I'm using the brown. I know my palette looks horrible, but that's okay. I'm gonna use that brown to bronze my face. And I love this, like, love this. I bronze like my entire face. I even go over some spots where I highlight, just because I just like that bronzy looks helps with dark skin girls. Like, don't skip this step because it helps, like, so we won't look so ashy, you know. It really helps. And clean up my contour. And do I want to let that bake? I don't know, but I'm gonna bake the side of my nose just with a little powder. I don't know, and I don't even bake long, so I don't even know why I said bake. I just apply it, then wash it off, because brush it off, because I don't like it you can go from looking real ghostly real fast if you my color, and I'm not here for that. So I'm just gonna brush that off. Going with this glamorous blush palette from BH Cosmetic, and it looks horrible. I've been through some things, and I think I'm gonna use like a combination of all 4 of these colors. Yeah. Just apply a little bit. Be very light hand with the blush because you don't want to look cray cray. So now I'm going to set my face, and I set my face before I do my eyeshadow. I just been doing it, I don't know why, but I'm gonna use this Mario Badescu facial spray. It's a cucumber and green tea, and I gotta spray this because it be leaving those splatter. Like, I'm not here for that. For eyeshadow today, I'm going with my Jaclyn Hill. This is the Ring of the Alarm palette, and I've been using this a lot lately. Alert from this palette, and use that as my transition color. And I didn't apply no powder on my lids because I want my colors to really pay off. So that's why I applied my lid. The concealer, if you don't like the whole pat method, because I can't do that. I apply concealer on my lids and apply the rest of my foundation, and you seen everything I did. And by the time I'm back to here, my concealer would have dried, and you know, I wouldn't go all the way with that pat. I cannot. I think I'm gonna do frame this color right here and apply that in my crease. Oh, that's pretty. So I'm gonna go in back with that transition color and just blend that. Okay, so as far as cut crease go, I really don't like the whole dramatic cut crease look on me. Like, I just don't like the way I look with that. But I like a cut crease, but not just such a defined cut crease. I just prefer not to have that. So, but anyways, I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetic Aurora Lights palette, and I really like this palette because it has all foil shades, like all shiny, glittery, shimmery shades. And it's great for like lids when you don't want, like if you're like me and you just want to cut your lid without the whole concealer and all that stuff, this is the palette for you. No, I think I'm gonna go with I've used the white, the purple, the pink. I don't know, I think I'm gonna use what color at this lid? Maybe I'll use the Kaleidoscope. Look, this the color Kaleidoscope. And let me just, ooh, look at that. Oh, I don't mean to flip you guys off, but look at that. That is so, let me see how it swipes on my, oh, that's pretty. But you know how things swipe on your hand differently than what they pick up with their brush. So let me see. Okay, it's still the same, so I think I'm gonna use this color. It's really pretty. I'm gonna use that just to, and I'm gonna cut my crease with this. Just a little cut crease. Okay, so this shit ugly to me. This shit's actually ugly as fuck, and I'm not about to start over. I hate when I do my makeup and that shit be ugly. Like, girl, let me see what I can do. So I'm gonna put, it's gonna look better once I put my lashes on, but this shit is hideous. I'm gonna go in with this color Gleaming, this purple color, and I'm just gonna apply that on the outer part of the lid. Maybe that'll help. And I'm gonna bring this up closer to my crease, just so like when I open my eyes it's gonna hit my lids anyway, so it can be hitting it and it's already like at an angle, you know, it's already like at its shape instead of just looking like glitter everywhere, if that makes sense. I'm gonna go back in with that same color I used to do the same thing. I think it's this brush. It has to be. This horrible ass brush I'm using. This shit ugly as fuck. Bitch thought she's gonna really slay her fucking makeup today, y'all. This shit is ugly. This shit ugly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. This shit is ugly. So I'm gonna go back in with that same color. So I use my crease and just define that a little more. Go in with the color ombre and this white color, and I'm gonna use that in the tear duct. And use the same color for my crease in my lower lash line. So now I'm gonna go in with that orange and just put that directly under that. The mascara I'm using today is the Big Fatty Lashes by, what's that? Urban Decay. This is like my go-to mascara. I'm just gonna apply that just a little bit on my top lashes and a lot on my bottom lashes. I'm telling you guys, whenever you do a makeup look and you think like the eyeshadow may come out horrible, apply some lashes, because lashes fix everything. Like, it does. So I apply my lashes. I told y'all, like, lashes gonna make everything look so much better. But anyways, I always be looking for stuff when I'm doing my makeup. I'm going in with the Anastasia Glow Kit and applying highlighter because I really almost forgot highlighter. And I'm gonna use the color Hot Sand, that color right there, and it's perfect for dark skins. Like, dark skin girls, it's like super perfect. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that. I'm going in for a glossy lip because I've really been feeling glossy lips lately. Like, that has been my thing. So I'm going in with this Too Faced Melted Latex in the color, what color is this? Strange Love. And I'm gonna use that like as liner and everything. Like, this is gonna be my base color. So now I'm gonna go in and put this Sephora gloss. Oh shit. It's the Color for Gloss Bomb. I don't know what color this is. You Fancy, that's the color. In color You Fancy, and I'm gonna apply that on top of that. And then I'm gonna top that off with this Black Radiance. I think, what color is this? I cannot remember what color it is because the color is faded, but it's just like amazing. I think they're like $2.43 at Walmart, so you can't beat that. And they're so pretty. Pretty glossy gloss lip gloss. This is the final look. It's really pretty, really simple, really basic. Like, y'all, anybody can do this whole look. Like, I'm not into the whole super cut crease. That's not, I just don't like it on me. So I just like to go for a little subtle cut crease, a subtle color. Like, hey, you, how are you? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back with another one, part 2 of me doing my hair. I mean, y'all couldn't have thought I was gonna keep my hair like this forever. No. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Do all that stuff, y'all. Like, I really need more subscribers. I really need more views. I need all that. Like, come on. Like, I feel more motivated to be consistent if I feel like I have consistent viewers, if that makes any sense. So, I mean, come on, y'all not doing nothing. Like, watch me for at least 3-4 minutes. Come on now, like 3 to 4 minutes, that's nothing. Anyways, I'll see you guys on my next video.